strolling down the little walkway to the back house. At least she told me. I would have figured it out on Google Maps, but when she gave me the address, she said it's the one behind. So helpful to have that information since yesterday. I gotta do my laundry. It took longer than I expected. And then we're gonna go out for my birthday. Would have been quicker, but I had problems getting the trailer on. So I just walked down to where it was just a straight road instead of an incline, and just put the bike against the pole so then I could just sit down. And then when I went to the bank to deposit some money, took longer because it didn't initially read my card. And here we are. Just tell my mom and say gotta wait. It only takes like an hour and a half ish. And I said, can we leave like after 1? I woke up at like 8. Well, I woke up at like 6, and I didn't. I woke up a few other times between 6 and 8, and I finally stayed up at like 8:05 because Tuesday turning into yesterday at like 2 in the morning, I got woken up because the cops were down the street with a helicopter unit. So that was super annoying. So then yesterday, even though I drank a bunch of coffee, I was super tired all day. But since I didn't do anything, it took me forever to go to sleep, even when I took some NyQuil, because my throat was bothering me. I had a little cough and tickle, so I took that. Even then, I went to sleep between like 1 and 2, so it messed me up today. Hey, buddy. What? Been so lazy. The last 2 or 3 times I came by, I didn't get parked at. Didn't want to deal with it, I guess. But today, birthday greetings maybe. Hey, buddy. That dog usually never barks at me. I don't know if it showed the second dog. If I was pivoted enough. It's some kind of bulldog. American bulldog, I think. Mix, possibly. Keep it sketchy. I'm almost home. If only there was matching shoes to either one. Need water. Need laundering. Not money though. Just clothing. Alright. I was gonna breathe heavy and not talk the rest of the way. Like, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Hopefully it's a better angle. Not sure though, because I'm riding slam and stuff. Might not have done much. I thought it would make it higher, but it just made it tighter, which is fine. That works too. Either is welcome, if not both. glad I'm almost home. It was super cold when I left the house. But of course, now it's much hotter. We're getting there. So of course I'm overdressed. But with my raincoat. Another reason I need some water, since I got hot and bothered because of the lack of hydration. Plus the jacket and my other layers. Alright, see you later. Calculator.